made a custom version of the 701 vest. I used 4 of the carabiner clips off of my belt all the way around. Went onto the belt. I'm tall. I like my bags not so high up here, so this lowers them. The vest is still carrying the weight. I just extended the belt so I can buckle it here. Let's take a look. Let me know what you think. Version 2, Badger quick release for the suspenders. Badger straight belt. Diamondback pouches attached to it. All the way around. Pouches are sitting exactly where I want them. Vest is carrying the weight. This is real loose. It's not doing anything. Buckle that back up. And if I want to just wear the belt, I just undo these and now I have the belt, no vest. That's version 2.